Brand new from Milwaukee, this is the M18 Fuel PACKOUT Dual Battery AC/DC 34 litre M-Class Dust Extractor with VACLINK and 1 key. If you've got a wall outlet or power on site, you can run it from the cord. Otherwise, it runs off 2 M18 batteries. That makes it really versatile. You can lock it down in a workshop running off your table saw and other equipment, but you can also take it out on site with you anywhere. And it's M-Class, intended for use with your medium hazard dust from timber to concrete and plaster. The twin HEPA filters are in the rear. They're really easy to access and they're self-cleaning. You activate that self-cleaning with the press of the button on the front control panel, and that keeps you running at optimal suction. And speaking of suction, I'll put the numbers on the screen here. There's a slight performance difference between whether you're running it off AC power or running off the 2 batteries, but still, even off the 2 batteries, which is what I'm using here, it's very impressive, a great vac. And if you are running it with 2 12 amp hour Forge batteries, you will get up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime on high. It is a super simple control panel from dialing the suction up and down. It also has an integrated dust extraction system called VACLINK. That means Milwaukee tools with VACLINK can be synced with this vacuum and automatically turn it on and off when you turn the tool on and off. It also comes with a wireless VACLINK remote, which you can wear. You can attach it to the hose. It also has a belt clip as well. To pair the remote or a tool with the vacuum, press and hold the VACLINK button for 1 second. It'll blink green. Repeat that on the vacuum. They'll go from a flashing green light to a solid green light, at which point you can turn them on and off remotely. And you can connect multiple tools and remotes to the same vac at the same time. I always get asked in the comments about the range of the remote, but your anti-static hose that comes with the tool is only 3 meters long, so you're never going to be further away than 3 meters to operate the vac. And on top of the anti-static hose, it does also come with a couple of adapters for your tools and workspace. There's a really handy accessory pack that's available for this vac, and it comes in a PACKOUT case. With the vac being PACKOUT compatible, you can just whack it on top with your tools for getting it on and off site really easily. The vac's got 34 litres of capacity, and it does come with a fleece bag for easy disposal of that medium hazard dust. Accessories, replacement fleece bags, replacement filters, they're all available with the new vac at your local Sydney Tools store right now in the Milwaukee. I'll make sure you check it out. You can get the full specs, you can order online, and if you have any questions still, please don't hesitate to hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.